Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Geek. We're back with one more update video of PUBG Mobile, and today we're going to show you the changes and additions we have in the new 0.12 beta update of PUBG Mobile. So let's start. Season 6 of PUBG Mobile has just started a week back, and now PUBG is rolling out a global beta update which is the 0.12. This new update has few new features and bug fixes. And guys, if you're new to our channel, then do subscribe to us to get more PUBG Mobile updates like this. So let's talk about the new features and additions we have in this beta update. Starting with the all new Zombie Adventure event mode, and now we have two zombie event modes. The first one is the same as earlier, and then we have this second mode. In the description of this event, it says we need to collect supplies during the day and fend off zombies in the night. And you need to survive for 30 minutes and the last standing team wins a round. The spawn area is also different and your team starts at a particular zone in the map. You also have these new gather location of zombies during daytime. This new mode opens only when you reach the adventure level of 5, which is mentioned in the game as Mugen rank. Talking about the zombie mode more, now we have a new weapon RPG, which is the rocket propelled grenade launcher. It's difficult to find but are very useful, especially for defeating Tyrant. The ammos are also limited, but you can get more after defeating the boss. Apart from this new weapon, there is also a new fire crossbow in this update, which I'm still not able to get during a match. In terms of other changes, we now have this new companion which is this eagle, and it's basically a cosmetic change where it stays with your player during the whole match. The eagle also changes the position according to your player. This companion eagle is only visible to you and your teammate. So overall, it's just a cosmetic change, but to be honest, I didn't really like it that much, and it is also optional and you can choose to keep the companion with you or send it back. Scope interface also got some update, and now you can change the color of the crosshair. You have different options in the settings in terms of colors for each type of scope, and also the quick scope option is also moved in the new menu. So those of you who plays the Chinese PUBG Mobile, then you must be aware of the option Friendly Spectate, which allows you to spectate the match of your friend. This option is now available in the 0.12 beta update, and now you can spectate your friend during their match, and your friend can also see how many people are spectating in the chat menu. Talking about the chat, we now have this wheel option which I really liked, and it's also time saving. There are few things which doesn't work, such as marking supply item doesn't mark it right now.
I got supplies.
There is also a new menu for the chat in the inventory, which allows you to change the chat conversation, and it also allows you to set a male voice for the quick chat. And lastly, now once you or your teammate wins the match, you actually get to see a chicken dinner. And guys, I personally find these details pretty good, which makes the overall experience of playing PUBG Mobile more interesting. So that's all for now. These were the new things which we know so far in the 0.12 beta update of the PUBG Mobile. Let us know if you like any of these changes, and also if you know anything else about this new update, do tell us in the comment section below. And if you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.